Dear comrades, all leaders and members of Confederation and NFP, my dear brothers and sisters, as you are aware that Confederation and NFP has served a strike notice for one day nationwide strike on 26th November 2020, along with all 10 central trade unions except BMS and all independent federations working in government sector, public sector, organized and unorganized sector, against anti-people and anti-working class policies of the government. Comrades, as you are aware that since after implementation of neoliberal economic policies, attacks in both various forms are being unleashed on working class. Government wants to corporatize and privatize the government departments and cut to minimum size by abolishing the posts and not filling the vacant posts and not creating new posts. Hire and fire policy is being implemented, more outsourcing and contractualization in various departments. After assumption of power by this NDA government, these policies are being implemented with more intensification. During the election campaign in 2014, a very tall claim was made by the then Prime Minister candidate, who is now Prime Minister, that 2 crore jobs will be given every year. But instead of giving jobs, more than 12 crore jobs have been lost. We would not talk about good days, Achhe Din, which have not come for central government employees. The dreams which were sown about 100 smart cities and bullet train have not been fulfilled yet. So many types of India like Make in India, Skill India, Stand Up India, Startup India and New India is not visible anywhere, but only suffering India is visible everywhere. The economy has shattered totally. First it got shock from demonetization, after that after implementation of GST, and now after declaring lockdown due to corona pandemic. More and more jobs have been lost and GDP has gone down to minus 23.9%. We will discuss about the issues related to central government employees only. The 7th Pay Commission was set up by the previous UPA government, but report came in 2016 when this NDA government came in power. This is the first pay commission which instead of giving some benefits has snatched the existing benefits and facilities. All 52 type of allowances have been abolished and all interest-free advances also abolished. The HRA factor was also reduced to factor 0.8 as 8, 16 and 24% in place of 10, 20 and 30%. The child care leave which was taken by the struggle by Confederation have also been curtailed. For first year, 100% salary will be given, but for second year, only 80% salary will be given. The only one good recommendation was given by this pay commission, that is option 1 for pensioners, which was also not implemented. This is for the first time that the report of pay commission was implemented without discussing with the staff side. NJCA had served a strike notice from July 11, 2016 and preparations were being made. The government constituted group of ministers to discuss with unions. A delegation of NJCA leaders met with group of ministers. After detailed discussion, it was decided that committees will be formed to look into minimum wage, new pension scheme, pension and other anomalies. But no committee has submitted its report so far. Government is going ahead on its agenda of corporatization and privatization. Labor laws have been changed to benefit the industrialists. Now, farm-related bills also passed without discussion in Lok Sabha, against which the farmers' organizations of the country are on a struggle path. We have put our 12-point charter of demands from Confederation and 10 points charter of demands from NFP, covering all the main demands of employees. Comrades, this has been the history of Confederation and NFP, that since the period of British regime and after independence, we have been fighting continuously and consistently. All the pay commissions, starting from 1st to 7th, were got set up by struggle, and its reports were also implemented by struggle. We have conducted 1946 strike, 1960 strike, 1968 strike, 1974 strike, 1984 strike, and after that, after 91, every year at least 1 or 2 days strikes are being conducted. You may be aware that so many smaller departments have been closed. 12 printing presses out of 17 have been closed. 1 postal printing press has also been closed. So many departments are being cut to minimum size. Corporatization and privatization is going on in so many departments. More privatization in railway. As you see, so many stations have been given to private companies. Vacant land of railway and defense will be given to corporates to run commercial activities. But privatization will not be successful, as the private Tejas train have been stopped due to non-fulfillment of seats. During pandemic of corona, only government sector has worked. No private sector has worked. Even private hospitals were closed. Therefore, this government should think seriously to strengthen the government sector and give up the idea of privatization. So many Navratna and Maharatna companies are being put on sale. But those workers who are fighting against these policies, they are able to save their organizations, as happened in Defence, Coal India Limited, and recently in UP Electricity Board. So this is our firm opinion that we have to save government sector by fighting unitedly. This has been the history of Confederation and NFP, that we have fought for every retrograde move of any government. We have conducted strikes to save the right of strike when a verdict was given by the Supreme Court that government servants have no moral right to go on strike. Some of the unions, led by pro-government leaders and some weak leadership who run their unions on papers, are running away from strike and issuing statements against strike and in favor of government. History will not excuse such leaders. When the next generation will ask them that when all this was happening, what you were doing, but we will be able to give a reply that we fought against all such onslaughts and attacks being unleashed by the government. Therefore, on behalf of Confederation and NFP, I appeal to all leaders and members of Confederation and NFP to make every effort to make the strike a grand success. We have fought and we have won. We will fight and we will win. Inqilab Jindabad. Thank you, comrades.